Hello viewers, it's another day to share some contents of value on my channel. My name is Pharmacist Nkechi. Early warning signs and symptoms of high blood sugar is my topic for today. This is a disease condition commonly known as diabetes. It is important to know that 1 out of every 4 person does not know that they have diabetes. So for all adults older than 45 years with a family history of diabetes, it is important to get tested for it and also to have routine tests for diabetes at least twice in a year. Reason is because when spotted early, you can avoid a lot of other health related issues like nerve damage, heart issues and other complications. So how can you tell if you have diabetes? The most common early symptoms are higher than normal levels of glucose in your blood. At times, the warning signs can be so mild that we might not notice them at all. That is why most people don't find out that they have diabetes until they get problems from long-term damage caused by the disease. This is especially true of type 2 diabetes. With type 1 diabetes, the symptoms usually appear quickly, in a matter of days or a few weeks. So for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes, here are some telltale signs that will warn you. Number 1, hunger and fatigue. When you eat food, your body converts the food you eat into glucose, which your cells use for energy production. But your cells need insulin to take in this glucose. If your body doesn't make enough or any insulin, or if your cells resist the insulin your body makes, the glucose cannot get into the cells and the cells cannot produce energy since it doesn't have glucose to produce some. Hence, you cannot get hungrier and get more tired than usual. Number 2, frequent urination and excessive thirst. The average person pees usually between 4 and 7 times in 24 hours. But people with diabetes may go a lot more. Why is that? Normally, your body reabsorbs glucose as it passes through the kidneys. But when diabetes pushes your blood sugar up, your kidney may not be able to bring it all back in. This causes the body to make more urine and that makes the fluid to disappear faster from the body. The results, you might pee more often and because of the frequent urination, you get thirsty too. As you take more water to combat the thirst, you will only pee more. 3. Dry mouth and itchy skin. Because your body is using fluids faster to make you pee, there is less moisture for other things. You could get dehydrated and your mouth may feel dry. Dry skin can make you to feel itchy too. Number 4, blurred vision. The changing fluid levels in your body could make the lens in your eyes to swell up. This distortion in the shape of the lens makes it to lose focus. Your vision becomes blurred as a result. Some symptoms specific to type 2 diabetes. With high blood glucose over time, these symptoms tend to show up. Number 1, yeast infection. In both male and females with diabetes, yeast generally feeds on glucose, so having plenty of glucose makes them to thrive. The yeast infections can grow in a warm and moist folds in the skin, places like between your fingers and toes, under the breasts, in and around the sex organs. Number 2, slow healing sores or cuts. Over time, high blood sugar can affect your blood flow and cause nerve damage, and that makes it hard for your body to heal wounds. Number 3, pain or numbness in your feet or legs. This is also another result of nerve damage. I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and I implore you to sit back, stay unhooked to the end. Symptoms of type 1 diabetes. With type 1 diabetes, common symptoms are: number 1, unplanned weight loss. If your body cannot get enough from the food you eat, it will start to burn muscles and fat for energy instead. You might start losing weight even though you haven't changed your diet or what you're eating. Number 2, nausea and vomiting. When your body resorts to burning its fat, it produces ketones. This can build up to a dangerously high levels in your blood, and it can become life-threatening, a condition called diabetic ketoacidosis. The ketones causes sweet breath that smells like nail polish remover when the person is talking, and also a sick feeling in the stomach. In conclusion, whatever your risks are, there's a lot you can do to delay or prevent diabetes. First, manage your blood pressure. Keep your weight within normal or near healthy range. Get 30 minutes of exercise most days. Eat a balanced diet. Remember, once you notice any of these symptoms discussed today, consult your doctor. Early detection and treatment means a lot in this condition. I sincerely wish you've enjoyed the value for today's video. If you have done so, as usual, I would like you to comment, to share, and to subscribe if you have not done so. See you next week.